Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your IT infrastructure with ServiceNow, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current IT infrastructure. Identify all assets, including hardware, software, and network devices. Conduct a thorough risk assessment to pinpoint vulnerabilities and potential threats. Document all findings to establish a clear baseline for your security posture. Next, log into your ServiceNow instance and navigate to the Security Operations module. Familiarize yourself with the features available for managing vulnerabilities and incidents. Create a new security incident for any identified vulnerabilities in your infrastructure. Assign appropriate priority levels based on severity and potential impact. Utilize the vulnerability response feature to automate tracking and remediation efforts. Set up automated alerts for critical incidents that require immediate attention. Integrate threat intelligence feeds into ServiceNow for real-time data on emerging threats. This integration will enhance your decision-making process regarding security responses. Implement continuous monitoring of your IT environment through ServiceNow. Utilize dashboards to visualize security metrics and compliance status. Regularly update your incident response plans based on findings from monitoring efforts. Encourage collaboration among your IT teams through ServiceNow's workflow automation. Streamline communication regarding incidents and vulnerabilities through shared assignments. Provide training sessions for your team on utilizing ServiceNow effectively. Regularly conduct security drills to test your incident response plans. Review and refine your security policies based on the changing threat landscape. Lastly, schedule consistent audits of your security infrastructure for ongoing improvement. By following these steps, you will significantly enhance your IT infrastructure security using ServiceNow. Stay proactive in your approach to cybersecurity to mitigate risks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.